my young first grade astronomers. Astronomers are scientists that study objects in space, which is our unit. Now remember, the objects in space that we're studying is going to be the sun, stars, and moon. So in a moment, you're going to see a clip of outside of my house. And I've got a question for you. Does the sun move across the sky? I want you to think about that after the video. Teachers or parents, at the end of when it shows outside of my house, pause the video and think, is the sun moving across the sky? If it is, how do you know? If it isn't, why not? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Here's my mailbox. Notice how there's no shadows in front of the mailbox from the trees. Let's find out where the sun is. All the way over here. Okay, it is exactly noon on a beautiful, clear, sunny day. There's my mailbox. Let's see where the sun is. There it is, directly above us, noon. Okay, now it is 3 o'clock. Notice how the mailbox in the street has shadows on it. And here is the sun. It's now right here. 3 o'clock. Okay, it is 6 o'clock at night. There's my mailbox again. Notice how the shadows have changed. Let's see where the sun is at 6 o'clock. Not there. There it is. It is 8 o'clock at night. If you'll notice, there's no shadows anymore. And if you look up, the sun, you can kind of see the bright yellow over the roof. Okay, my young astronomers, what do you think? Did the sun move across the sky, or is there some other explanation? Our objective today is to figure out, why does the sun look like it's going across the sky? If many of you said yes, I understand why you would say that, because it looks like it's going across the sky. If you said no, you are correct. And I'm going to show you how. So it's really bright on this side because I've got my big hot, it's really hot flashlight here that is acting as the bright sun. And I've got my earth here. Now let's pretend this is the sun. Maybe if I can move it. There we go. This is the sun and it's showing on the earth. Now the sun, watch to see if I even move the sun. Let me find the United States. Okay, so here we are in the United States in Texas, Corinth, Texas. And right now, the sun is shining on Corinth, Texas. It is a bright, sunny day. You're outside playing on the playground, having lunch. But watch as it rotates. And notice how over here is dark. That means it's nighttime. But the earth is rotating. Now, am I moving the sun and all? The sun does not move. What's moving is the earth very slowly. It is rotating. And in one day, it rotates one time. So, for example, here's Corinth, Texas. Here you are. The sun is rising and it's morning. And then the sun is shining directly on Corinth, Texas, and you're outside playing. It's noon, it's lunchtime, and the earth is slowly rotating. It's still daytime. It's still daytime. So here we are. Watch as it hits nighttime. Now it's dinner time, maybe bath. Oh, it's bedtime. Do you see how Corinth is getting darker? Because the sun's not shining on it. And now you're sleeping because it's dark. So that is why the sun looks like it's moving across the sky, because the earth is actually the one that's moving. I hope you understand now why the sun looks like it's moving across the sky when it's not. It's just the earth rotating and moving. Now on to your assignment for the day. I really want y'all to understand that the sun does not move. It is the earth that's rotating. So in your house, grab a flashlight or some kind of light. It can be a lamp, something. Put it down, don't move. Grab a ball I just have a soccer ball. It can be a balloon, any kind of ball. And all I want you to do is take a video and upload it to Seesaw. Here's the sun. Remember, the flashlight is the sun. Here's the earth. And I want you to rotate the ball very slowly. This is what the earth is doing. You are not touching the sun. Because what I want you to get from today is the sun does not move. It is the earth that is rotating.